What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. If you like the video, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like it if you like the video, dislike it if you don't like the video. Whichever one, don't matter to me. But today I'm with my brothers in the car.
Hello.
And we're about to go to a car show in Schaumburg called Tuner Vibes, I think. So we're gonna see what's up with that. Just got my car washed, kinda. I need an actual better wash, but we need to hurry up and get on our way to go because it started at 12. It's like 3:19, 3:20. So let's just go ahead and go, and I'll pick you up when we get there.
All right.
Ooh, we got a TRX in front of us, boys. I have my brother recording since I'm driving and shit. Let me pull up on the TRX. That's a nice color, I ain't gonna lie. I wonder if it'll go for it. Nice. Let me see if we can egg him on it. Look at him. Hey, yeah, shoot in the back. Boy, that nigga, oh, hold on, boss. That bitch beefy. Look at that. Like, bro, you can't tell me you would be scared to see that coming down.
All right.
You get off. Look at him. That's big beefy right there. I love that truck, bro.
All of our tickets are separated.
All right, y'all, we made it. So either this is it, and we paid 25 bucks each. Well, me and my brother right here paid 25 bucks each and wasted money, or they got some way more cars than I can see. But we gonna see. There was something to do today, so yeah, fuck it. So let these children get on their wristbands real quick, then we gonna head out.
Wristbands? Yeah.
They go to Supras, the Supras, hard as usual. Y'all like a half and half on days. I miss when I had my rotiform on my rotiform is clean as fuck. Bro, I want to be an Evo on some real shit, bro. You eat out here in this bitch. Like this in this bit. Look, and I got my baby all by her lonely, but that's okay. I don't know. I don't feel IH. What y'all think about IH? I don't be feeling IH, bro. Like when they first came out, it was decent, but shit, I don't know how I feel about it now. Well, what the fuck do we have here? What do we have here? Nah, we gotta go see it. We gotta go see it. Look at them motherfucking tires on that bitch, bro. That shit hurt as hell.
Oh yeah. No, because I wasn't.
This motherfucker hurt as hell. I ain't gonna check.
He said you can.
Damn, this goes right here. We gonna get one. Boys scrapping cars on that motherfucker.
Is it with the knee? I'm not sure. No, they're also.
Alright.
Hold on. Let me get one more in the car. What do you do for it?
Fucking fitting. Look it. Hey, what's up, bro? So you guys are a rapping company? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Am I able to sit inside it? Oh, I appreciate you. I do YouTube, so you can shout it out. I ain't got a big following, but
bro, it's a start. Everybody gotta start somewhere.
Hell yeah.
That's your shit.
So it's Wrap It Up LLC?
Yeah.
Where are you guys located?
Bensonville, right by O'Hare Airport.
Bensonville?
Uh-huh.
All right, yeah. And if I know anybody looking for raps, I'm gonna shout you out though.
Bless them, boss. Appreciate you.
I appreciate it. All right, you said we can hop in it. How tall are you?
6'1".
6'1". How's y'all fit? All right, let's see. Sheesh. Let's see. Oh my God.
Your head is touching the ceiling, basically.
Oh my God, this shit is sick though. With the carbon wheel. Hold on, let me get the snap in it though. Yo, this shit is sick, bro. I feel the heated seats. Hold on. This shit is sick, bro. This shit is crazy, huh? Take the camera quick, eat some chicken. Bro, what how I look like in the Lambo, bro. Okay. This is crazy. Alright, let me get out. Shit, it's a little tough. Hey, no. Hey, what's wrong? Are you were you recording the whole time? That's just crazy. That shit crazy. Shit, I can make it work. A little extra getting out, we can make it work. That shit crazy.
We're sucking in the
Chili, this is
Hey. Hey. I had a little incident happen earlier, but you know that made me feel a little better. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
She said she gonna call the cops. No, she said she did.
Yeah.
But I don't know what she talking about. I didn't do nothing. Did I do anything?
No.
No,
I
did
didn't think.
They weren't even there, so I don't know why I'm talking to them. No, I didn't do nothing. I didn't, you know. Let people go in there. That's nice. That's fine. Yo, anybody that knows me,
look at that.
I love this color. It's red hard as fuck. This right. I know it's peeling. This shit hard as fuck. I was more worried about my lens. I need a new one. That's what these children love. Let me get it, Jerry. This shit clean with the carbon clear fenders.
Fire.
Yeah, I almost did that when I still had the Honda. If I didn't get the Charger and started with that shit, I was gonna get the carbon fenders and could spend all my money on it. Bro, I need one. I still want one, bro. Shit clean. I still want one, bro. I like this color, like an emerald green type. This shit hard though, I don't care. Oh. We fucks with that right there. Did that shit right there? We fucks with that right there. We fucks with that right there. We fucks with the Juice WRLD shit. We fucks with that. Pump act. You know, I was looking at Mustangs before I got the Charger. But nobody wanted to take money from my shit, bro. Yo, this shit, I love this fucking color right here, bro. This color hard as a mother. It's that Nardo. I don't even know the name for it, but it's Nardo gray with a little color switch in it. And then you got this big head nigga in the way. Bro, this wrap so hard. I need a 350Z in my life, bro. I want one of these. I ain't gonna lie. I really want one of these, bro. This hard. I ain't gonna lie. It's hard. But we gotta have a counter for how many times I'm gonna say I ain't gonna lie. I'm low-key. I hopped in the Huracan. It's clean. Got the little thing out. I forgot the name of it. Clean. Shit clean. It's like a I don't know what they call this type of style. Oh, clean too. Yo, I love that Nismo front bumper though. I think it's the Nismo front bumper, ain't it? I like it. It's like a violet type of color, purplish violet, whatever you want to call it. Then we got the Booper. Nismo. Hey, y'all remember them? You remember the headlight tint?
This is a reward, not a This is Ford.
Y'all remember when I had the headlight tint? Same headlight tint?
That's a hatchback.
Well, I ain't gonna lie, I miss my Honda though.
Oh, I did not see that.
Oh yeah, I seen that on
That was nice.
I'll be seeing that on IG all the time. That right there. I need one of those.
Ooh, you got the screws. Screws like that.
I need one of those for my car though. I see that all over IG. Damn. Y'all miss my Honda?
Yeah, you could have done more.
I miss it, but
Yeah, I could have done more. I didn't do the splitter. I didn't do the diffuser or anything. I think that's a you already know, my brother.
it's probably those are the drip car.
But I think the only thing I didn't do was splitters and stuff like that.
That's it, but take a little bit of the bass off. Take a little bit of the bass off.
Put a little anime rap on there. Ain't into anime, but that shit type hard though, I ain't gonna lie.
I even thought I didn't like that, which was not the case.
Where's Jalen at?
He all the way back there.
Watch, hold on. Jalen, relax. Relax, my boy. Look at that. Yeah, that shit. White as shit.
Yeah. What are you fucking crazy?
Eat it good, boy.
I meant it, yeah, but
That's like your hand. That's bigger than your hand. The lip bigger than your hand. You got the quad tips on that shit. That shit look decent. I like that. I like the quad tips on that shit, bro. Yo, that rap a little hard on the charger though, low key. Yo, I'm fucking with this rap, low key. Yeah. This rap clean as fuck. I ain't gonna count it. Excuse my language, but the rap clean as hell. Them tell like that. Yo, look at this rap. This rap hard as fuck. I ain't gonna lie.
It's just mad. Oh, they got some.
This rap is hard. This is my favorite rap. This and that Naruto one over there. That's my favorite rap. That's just hard. He got that going. Oh, he got the Nismo wheels on him. He's clean. I don't really fuck with the chrome and shit, but that shit clean. I ain't gonna lie. That shit clean. This gonna be Joshua right here. Joshua like all these type of cars. There's gonna be him right here. Joshua, I said that's gonna be you right there. Joshua gonna come through the Prius. I ain't gonna lie, why the wheels fit the Prius though? Oh no! You got a diffuser on that thing though. With the quad tips on that thing though. Yeah, see? Like Evo. Bruh. I want an Evo. Ever since we seen Fresh Kicks Evo, Leonardo Gray, that shit's so hard to me, bro. It's gotta be this generation too. Watch yourself. Bro, this whole video is gonna be me trying to watch myself with people cheering. Watch out. Shit hard. I love these Euro tail lights for the what's it called? My thing. These Euro tail lights hard to tell on the black. Damn, I cannot talk. I don't know what's wrong with me. I cannot talk, but it's hard to tell. Nah, so we playing music. But them Euro tail lights is hard as hell on the Mustangs when it's black. Oh. And this nigga got the motherfucking. I forgot the name of those, but he got the motherfucking shit. That's all I'm gonna say. Bro, I've known I've seen this nigga everywhere, bro. I swear, I see this nigga everywhere. But you know what I'm loving right now, you know what I'm saying? Focus. Y'all know what I'm loving right now, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, something. Ah! How to drop a ring go in the corner of my eye? Oh, crap. Illegal?
High key,
illegal?
Yes.
But do we care? Nope. We don't care when shit's illegal. I like that color on there right there. Shit's hard. And we got this little mean, like the most customizable vehicle in the world. I bet you this shit costs like 15K plus, bro. Ain't no way. But never mind. This bill probably like 30. I'm just guessing.
You gotta
Guessing out my ass.
He has to climb in, or you jumping down.
Hey, this shit hard as fuck. Look at that big ass one. You can't not get the 5th one. This shit hard though, anyway.
And then I hit it with
Oh yeah, I seen them bitches too.
yeah, and then give it a question.
Them halos or heart halos.
And then, like, I don't know if it's just
Seen that on IG too. This motherfucker on the ground. Hard as hell. Oh, that shit hard. What the? That shit hard as fuck. You got the DeLorean pulling up. Damn, nigga, I need to clean up my shit,
like-
leave my shit out. You got my baby by her lonely. Where the fuck am I? She by her lonely, but it's alright. This shit crazy. I ain't never seen a kid like this, low key. On the Rohannas. Shit crazy.
hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Three?